Hi folks, welcome back. You are watching a video on solving Rubik's Cube, step 7. After performing the first 6 steps that I have explained in my previous videos, we should have a cube such that it has the bottom 2 layers completed. This is the bottom layer and this is the middle layer, and these 2 layers are completed, and along with this we have the top pillow face completed, as well as the top layer corner pieces are fixed. In this step we will try to fix the top layer edge pieces. We can have 3 different cases for step 7. One is a completed cube. I mean to say that after performing step 6, either we can have completed cube. I mean to say that even these 4 edge pieces are fixed after completing step 6. In that case, since the cube is already completed, then we don't need to perform step 7. And the other case is the cube that have all these corner pieces fixed with no face completed. I mean to say that if these 2 are the corner pieces and we have a blue over here, so this particular side face is not completed. Similarly, this is not completed and this is not completed. If we don't have green in this position, we can consider this face as incomplete. So in that case, all the 4 sides of the cube are incomplete. So that is case 2. And we have one more case where we have 3 side faces incomplete and 1 side face completed. This is case 3. We will see the algorithm to solve this step. This is case 2, where we will be having none of the side faces completed, and this is case 3, where we will be having one of the side face complete. If I have a cube with case 2, then we need to perform this algorithm that I have mentioned over here, that is L180 TIBFI L180 BIF TI L180. If you perform this algorithm, then the cube will get transformed into case 3. Once you get a cube with case 3, then you need to take this completed face as your right face and then perform the same algorithm which will solve the cube. In case if the cube is not solved, then repeat the same algorithm one more time. So we have this algorithm that we are using it for solving step 7. Let us see what actually happens when we are performing step 7 algorithm. This slide will give a pictorial representation of what actually happens by performing step 7 algorithm. When I perform the algorithm holding the cube like this, completed face as my right face, in that case these 3 edge pieces, this will move to this position and this will move to this position and this will move to this position. So these 3 edge pieces are rotating in an anti-clockwise direction like this. After performing the algorithm once, the face 9 will move to face 3 position. This will be moved to this position and face 3 will move to face 12. This will be moved over here and this will be moved over here, and this particular edge piece will not move. Only these 3 edge pieces will rotate in anti-clockwise direction when we are performing the algorithm for step 7. If you look at this cube, we have orange over here, and this particular face is orange, and this is blue, and this particular face is blue. This is red, and this particular face is red. So if we perform the algorithm once, this orange will move to this position, blue moves to this position, and red moves to this position. So if we perform the algorithm once on this particular cube, the cube will get solved. We have one more cube where we need to perform the algorithm twice. Here, this is my completed face. I'll hold the cube like this so that my completed face is on my right side, and I'm just checking the colors on the edge piece side faces. This is orange, blue, and then orange. When I perform the algorithm on this particular cube, then this orange will move to this position, blue will move to this position, and green will move to this position. Orange moves to this, but we need the orange over here. So we need 2 iterations of the algorithm in order to move this edge piece to this position. Similarly, for blue, after the first iteration, this will be moved to this position, and in the second iteration, this will be moved to this position. So this needs 2 iterations. Similarly, even this one needs 2 iterations. In first iteration, this will go to this position, and second iteration, this will go to this position. So we need to perform the algorithm twice on this particular cube. We'll try to solve these 2 cubes by performing the algorithm. As I said, this is the cube on which we need to perform the algorithm once, and this is the cube on which we need to perform the same algorithm twice in order to get this cube solved. First, I'll try to solve this cube, and after that I can go with this. I'm holding the completed face on my right side, and then I'm performing the algorithm. The algorithm is L180 Ti B Fi L180 Bi F Ti, and then L180. So if you check the cube is completed, and now we'll try to solve the second cube. I'm holding the cube with my completed face on my right side, and then performing the algorithm. L180 Ti B Fi L180 Bi F Ti L180. After the first iteration, the orange has moved to this edge piece, blue has moved to this position, and green has moved to this position. Now I need to perform the same algorithm again. L180 Ti B Fi L180 Bi F Ti, and then L180. Now if you check the cube is completed. This is how we'll solve step 7 of solving Rubik's Cube. Thanks a lot. Have fun. Have a nice time. Bye bye.